Okay, so Tel Aviv is my new favorite city just because it has a free ninja park. I mean, I'm definitely gonna come out here and try this. If you are interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe to my Instagram. I'll probably post the video on there. This is going to be epic. Whatever rule this is, I'm definitely gonna break it and pay whatever that money is because I have no idea what this is. Really hard to give a tour when the street sweepers are just behind you. Alright, so I just finished a really good tour with Avi and Sandeman's tour. So if you come to Tel Aviv and you need a free walking tour, definitely recommend checking that out. So let's see what else Tel Aviv has to offer. Okay, so one of my favorite things about Israel so far is free bathrooms. Alright, you can't come to Israel and not get some good shawarma. Let's see how it tastes. You gotta go hands in with your bread on different things. And you gotta use it like a glove, I was told. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's good. And of course, you gotta try some dessert. In addition to trying shawarma and other amazing local dishes, you have to try dessert. This is Knafeh. With pistachio. Oh, it's warm. It's got ice cream on top. Let's see how it tastes. That is not what I was expecting. It's like a pancake and biscuit. Like stringy, sweet. It's delicious. It's definitely delicious. Try with ice cream. Oh, that's gonna be a good contrast. The hot dish and ice cream color. Wow. That is sweet. It's good. Okay, so we were told that 70% of the drinkable water here in Tel Aviv comes from desalination. So all of these fountains that you find all over the city they have potable water. So I'm assuming also in the buildings. So yay for water I can drink. So we're out here walking the streets on a Friday evening looking for somewhere to eat, and everything is closed because it is Shabbat here. And I may be saying that wrong, but from sunset on Friday until sunset on Saturday is a day of rest here. You're not gonna find anything open, you're not gonna find cabs. Okay, I'm walking into a place that is open. Everything has exception to the rules, but most things are closed. Very difficult to find what we're looking for. But we did find some shawarma, so we're gonna eat that.
The next morning.
All right, we're here in Tel Aviv, and when you come to Israel, you don't just meet Israelis. You meet Peruvians, Germans, Brazilians, Italians, and Dutch, and many more. So we're gonna enjoy the day here at the beach. Woo! See you guys! Tel Aviv has these wonderful calisthenics parks that I've seen all around the city, and today I get to train on one. Can't feel my arms, but that's okay.
Never give up.
Never give up. Training with TMax, tip of the day. Never work out with the old dude at the park, because they're probably gonna go beast mode and they're gonna try to kill you too.